Which function has a greater degree? Well, you could have graphed it. Did anyone graph the table? It gives you a visual, right? We talked about yesterday of getting some hints, just like this problem. You could have graphed it or use a common difference. So let's go ahead and do that. Just a quick sketch. Tells us which function family. -2, 9. So that's 9, -2. -1, 3. 0, 1. So this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, so you're not moving on the x number line, you're moving up 1 towards a positive number here. And then 1, 3, so right 1, up 3, and then 2, 2, 9. Class, which function family is this? Quadratic. Let's just say, raise your hand if you did that. Okay, let's just say you didn't do that. Let's just say you did this one. You made sure that you have a common difference of +1 on the x's. And if you don't, then you can just kind of figure out, that it goes by ones. And then over here, what's my difference? +6 or -6? Here? Here. Here. So this tells you that it's not what? It's not linear. Okay. So if you do the second common difference, here to here is +4 here, 4. Then you have a second common difference. Yes, it is quadratic. Okay? Quadratics or parabolas, they are to the power of 2. Raise your hand if you got that. So the big idea is that this left side represents a second degree polynomial. Okay, next one's a little bit tricky. Let's try it. A polynomial function n of x has a real 0. A real means how many reals? 1. So let's just use that equation. I should have done that for the last problem. This one represents the and this one represents the degree. So if you go back to this problem, let's do the same thing. Class, what's the degree of this problem? 2, right? Because it's a u, and it has a second common difference, so it is 2. Class, this one doesn't touch the x-axis. So what's this number? 0. That means you have how many imaginaries? 2 imaginaries. Over here, it says you have a real, so that represents 1 real. Okay, pay attention. We're not sure what the degree is, but it tells you n of x, a polynomial function n of x has imaginary zeros. Question, 1 or 2? We must have forgotten. Pull out that formula sheet. End of class. If you don't have this formula sheet because you're taking a test next week. I'm looking for the little people. Do you see the little people? There's the little people. Imaginary zeros come in what? Pairs. Let's write that. Imaginary zeros come in pairs. Class, what does pairs mean?
2.
Yeah, so that's like 0, 2, 4, 6. So can you ever have a 1 here? Can you have a 3 here? No. So all I know is it's going to be either 0 or we expect it has them, so it has to be at least 2. That means 1 plus 2 is? 3. This is at least a 3/3 degree polynomial. Therefore, class, which side has the greater degree?
Left side. The right.
The right side. The right side has a greater degree. So look at your characteristics. Use all the formulas and characteristics we know to help you figure that out.